Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Akib, and in this video I'm going to show you an automation technique which will let you remove the access of any shared file from your Google Drive of any person who has taken the subscription for the access of that file. Okay, so let me show you how this is going to work. So here you can see any person has taken a subscription, a monthly subscription for any product of yours, any file of yours, and you have given the access of that file which you have here in Google Drive. Okay, so that the person can read that file, use that file, and do anything. Okay, and you charge a amount every month for that access, and you take that payment from Stripe application. Okay, so in place of Stripe you can use any other subscription billing application as well. So here, as and when the subscription got cancelled or fails for any reason from Stripe, you want to remove the access of that file for that person from your drive. Okay, so doing that manually, checking manually whose subscription is getting failed or expired or cancelled, and removing the access manually is very time consuming and problematic process. So here we have set up an automation by which as and when the subscription got cancelled or failed, the access is going to be removed from that person automatically. And to do this, to set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part is you can set up this automation in very easy steps and very few steps without any programming knowledge or computer coding skills. Okay, so anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. Guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. Okay. So guys, to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free tasks for every new month. Okay. And after setting up that account, you can log in and reach the dashboard here. And here guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name here as remove access from Google Drive on subscription failure from Stripe. Okay, so now you can click here on this create button, and you can see your workflow getting created like this. And here you will find this trigger and action, which is the basic building blocks of this automation. And this automation work on this trigger and action. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger this workflow. So it is saying when this happens, and the action is the response towards the trigger. So it is saying do this. All right, as in our use case, the trigger would be failure of the subscription from Stripe, and the action towards that trigger is to remove the access of the person whose subscription got failed. Okay, so first of all, set up this trigger here. So from this choose app field, choose Stripe application. This is Stripe. Okay, and now in the action trigger event, you have to select the trigger event as cancelled subscription. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from an external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to make the connection, and with the help of these instructions written here, we are going to connect Stripe. Okay, so you can read here. You need to reach the webhook settings section of the dashboard, and here I have to click on add endpoint. Let me show you how you can do this. So guys, this is my Stripe's dashboard. Okay, so here in Stripe's dashboard, first of all, let me show you that I am in the test mode. Okay, so from this dashboard, guys, you have to click on this developers option, and here in this developer section you will find this webhooks tab in here, and on the left hand side click on webhooks. Okay, and here you have to add an endpoint by clicking here on this add endpoint button. Okay, and in this endpoint URL, you have to paste the webhook URL that you got here. So just copy this webhook URL and paste it here in this add endpoint URL like this. Okay, and after that you have to copy the webhook, paste. Okay, then you have to choose the select you have to select the event now. Okay, so you have to select the event from this select events option. Click. So guys, here in this select all events option, you have to come to this customer section, and from this customer section you have to check this box. Let me show you. Customer dot subscription dot cancelled. Okay, here you can see deleted, sorry. You have to select here customer dot subscription dot deleted, check this box. Okay, then click on add events. Okay, right, so that's how you can add an endpoint here or make the connection. Okay, so now click on add endpoint. So you can see we have created a new endpoint here, and here you can see as we have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test record or test submission. This means now we are going to deliberately cancel an existing subscription for any person or customer that we have. Okay, so let me show you my Google Drive, guys. I have sold the subscription of a course which is this PHP programming course, and I have given the access of this file, this PDF file to these persons. Let me show you. These are the persons to whom we have given the access. Okay, so I am going to remove the access of any person. Oh, sorry. First of all, I am going to cancel the subscription of any of these person. Okay, and that will trigger our workflow. So I'm going to the customers section, guys, and here I have these customers. Let me show you. And let's say I am going to cancel the subscription of this person, Arpit Sharma. Okay, so you can see we have this person here in this file's access also. So this person has the access of this file. Okay, now I'm going to cancel his subscription manually just to show you the example. So if in real time for any reason this subscription got cancelled or expires or fails, that will trigger this workflow. So here you can see in the subscription section I have this person Arpit Sharma added. Okay, so I am going to cancel this subscription by clicking on cancel subscription. Okay, all right, so I am going to cancel the subscription here immediately, and the subscription got cancelled. The status is cancelled here. Let us check now in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this subscription getting cancelled in our workflow or not. And here you can see in this response received section we got the details as this, and here it is showing the event details like this, that the subscription got cancelled of this person. Okay, right, but here you cannot see the details of the customer that we have. Okay, so first of all here you can see in this object status label it is showing cancelled. Okay, so this is the event. All right, so but here we do not have the details of the customer who have taken this subscription from us. So to fetch the details of that person, I'm going to connect Stripe here again in the actions tab, and we are going to use an action event to get those details. So select Stripe again here, and in the action event select retrieve a customer option, retrieve a customer by ID, this one. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it will ask for this token key. So you will find this key here in this developer section of Stripe. Okay, so I'm going back to the developer section. On the home page you will find this developer section, and these are the API keys. So here is the where is the key? This is the publishable key, and you have to reveal this test key and copy this key from here and paste this key here like this, and click on save, and you will be connected with Stripe. Okay, now it is asking for the customer ID. So in this first tab where you have captured the data of a cancelled subscription, you can see a label which will show you a key, a ID, which is this. Let me show you. So here in this object data object customer label, we have this ID. So I'm going to map this label here in this field, okay, customer ID. So click here and you will find this subscription cancelled option, and from here only map this ID which you will find here, okay, map it. Then click on save and send test request, and now you can see here in this response section we have these details. So we have the email ID of the person, the name of the person as well, and all the details related to this person. We got it here now. Now guys, I want to remove the access of this person from this drives folder, from this file, okay. So here we have this person. Now I'm going to connect Google Drive here. First of all, click here on this plus icon, and from this action step select Google Drive, okay, and the action event would be remove file access, okay. So you will find this option, remove file or folder access, select it, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Drive, and it will ask for the Google account by which you have the drive in, okay. Select that Google account, then give the required access, click on continue, and you will be connected with your Google Drive, okay. So you can see we are connected now, and here it is asking for the email address of the person to whom you want to remove the subscription of. So here we got the email ID of this person in this second step. So I'm going to map this email label here. So from this second step, map the email, okay. And so here in this file slash folders list, you will find the name of the file here, which is the same file, phpguide.pdf. So you can select this file here, because from this file only we want to remove the subscription, remove the access, okay. So now click here on save and send test request, and the person, this email ID will be removed from this access list. You can see here. Now this person is here as an editor, okay. Now I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. Alright, so now let's check in my Google Drive if we got the access of this person removed from my file, okay. So let me show you here in this. So now list is this, and here you can see the person who was previously there named as Arpit Sharma is removed from the list of the access here, okay, from this file. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and guys, you need to set up this automation only once. You have to set this trigger, and in the trigger you have to connect Stripe with this cancel subscription as the event, and you have to follow these instructions. Capture a cancelled subscriptions response here. After that, you have to retrieve a customer by ID, and then it can be a test customer, okay, or a demo customer, and you can remove the access of the demo customer by this third step. And after that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when any person's subscription got cancelled for any reason from Stripe, the access of the folder or the file is going to removed automatically for that person, okay. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start running this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.